Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. I'm going to show you my new junk journal. I'm very proud of it. I finished it before 1 week. And my idea for this junk journal was to make it whimsical. I used a couple of embroideries inside that I made by myself. Also this beautiful charm that you can see, it's little strawberry. I made it by myself. Okay, let me just remove the ribbon. First you can see this beautiful gorgeous embroidery of, let me just remove this, of mushroom that I made. And here on the back of the spine I use, as you can see, different colors of fabric, and I embroider these beautiful flowers and stick it with a glue. The cover that I made, I used cardboard from my cat's food. Because she's eating cat food and I used the cardboard from it. I decided to make it like this because, as you know, I like to recycle. For the cover I used felt, pink felt, over which I made this beautiful embroidery. And this time I decided to not glue, but to use sewing machine, so it is stitched very well for the cover. Here also you can see those beautiful laces that I put to make it more whimsical. And let's get started. Mainly for this junk journal I used actually I used kits from my Etsy shop that I designed. So most of all I've designed them. For example, these beautiful girls, they're my design. Also those flowers. There are some pictures that I put like a stash that I had in my computer. Stash in my computer, sounds funny. Those pictures are actually from future projects, so this is the rough design of my future project, so you're going to see it here in the future, of course, if you visit my Etsy shop. Those beautiful, gorgeous nymphs, as you can see, they have embroidery, roses from different colors. For the blank pages I used coffee dye. And since there was a lot of sun, the paper that I used and I dyed with the coffee dried very well, and there are beautiful patterns, as you can see here, from the coffee. This is also my design, and I have the intention to use this bear in design project for the future. I'm going to put in my description box the junk journal kit that I made and I used for this junk journal. Look how are the patterns. They look very vintage and gorgeous. I love the way it's dried. Here it's like a little note in which you can write something. And this beautiful card is with surprise inside, hedgehog. I love this beautiful pattern. I have this pattern with mushrooms. Also, those two are my designs, and you can see them in Enchanted Forest. That's the name of the kit. Little bookmark with gorgeous embroidery. I love how this look. She looks very beautiful. Whimsical also. I prepared one little present in the heart of the junk journal. That is it. It's embroidery that I made on fabric. So I left it like this on the back with the stitches because it looks more natural. Oh, this beautiful. It's gorgeous. The paper, it's stained very well. This is the other part. As you can see, I left it again blank. I didn't put something, but I love how it is. This is something like mini envelope. As you can see, and inside there are two beautiful little gorgeous labels. Whimsical labels. This is another pocket here. Another here. This is a little embellishment from fabric that I made. It looks gorgeous. I used different, as you can see, different pieces of fabric, and I used sewing machine to stitch them together with this piece of paper. This beautiful, gorgeous moth. Again, another pocket. It is like a little card in which you can put small notes. Also, I made one very gorgeous that is included with the junk journal. It was ordinary envelope. I used distress ink, also distress and distress spray and mica powder to make it like this. And I use nude drops, the transparent one, because I wanted to look like dew, the drops of dew. Also this, as you can see, this mushroom is embossed with golden embossing powder. And to make the colors more vivid, I used what was the name of it? It was distress. It was distress microglaze. This one. So everything is sealed, as you can see. This is the mica powder that I use. It has this beautiful, gorgeous glitter on it, small, like a fairy dust. Inside, I've decided to make little cards. Those are the cards. They are blank from inside. Also, those are like you can use them for small notes. And those, I would use them like, for example, like little notes because they're blank, or for bookmarks. There it is. So I hope that you liked this video, and please give a thumbs up to this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked it, because I can show you a lot. I have a lot of projects in my mind, very beautiful, whimsical projects. So please stay with me See you on the next video. Bye bye.